My viewer, my name is Teacher Mex, and I'm going to take you through competency-based assessments, CBA in CBC. In CBC, learners are assessed using the formative and summative assessments. Okay, so formative assessments are assessments that are done in the process of learning or when learning is taking place. And summative assessments are done at the end of the course. Hope you're okay up to there. So in today's lesson, I will focus on summative assessments. The learners, when they are in early years education, they sit for care. This is the first NEC assessment, and it is done in grade 3. Okay? So CARE stands for Kenya Early Years Assessment. From there, learners proceed to middle school, where they go through another assessment in grade 6, KIPSEA, which stands for Kenya Primary School Education Assessment. So this is the second assessment administered by NEC. After grade 6, they proceed to junior school. And in junior school, at the end of the 9th grade, they still sit for another assessment, that is KIPSEA, which stands for Kenya Junior School Education Assessment. From there, they move on to senior school. And in senior school, they'll have to sit for CBE, which stands for Kenya Certificate of Basic Education. Learners sit for this assessment in grade 12, and it's used to select those who will move to TVETs and universities. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson.